What's up? In this quick video, I'll be showing you the fastest way that you can get leather in Palworld. Obviously, the absolute fastest way if you're an absolute bowler is to come across to the early game small settlement located just on the southeast side of the map, next to where you spawn in, and in here you can head all the way down the mountain to the Wandering Merchant. This person over here sells us leather for 150 each. It is kind of expensive, but it is an item that we need to manually collect and we can't passively farm. If you need cash, you can sell him random items or head a bit up the hill towards the Pal Merchant where you can sell your lesser cared for pals. Then, if you're wanting to go out and actively farm leather, for the early game, you'd usually be hanging around the starting area over here, mostly around the Red Forest and just to the south of it here. In these locations, you can find and hunt for number 5 Foxparks, which spawn here, as well as Fwax, number 6, which spawn here, Vixies, number 14, in the Red Forest and to the south, Rush Ores, also around the same area, Dire Howls, more off to the west, Melpackers, to the east and west of this area that you'll be farming in, 36, Ichthrier Deers, or however you say, number 37, which spawn more to the east side here, and Nightwings, which are the first flying mobs you'll encounter, also across to the east here. Then, a bit later on, Rubies, should you choose to head across to the far west or far northeast. Then when it comes to nighttime, you'll find tons of Noxes, usually, only at night that is, that spawn practically all over the place. It's a great place to stay when you're farming early game for leather, but when you get further into the game, you'll probably be farming leather quite passively just as time goes on, as, just to give you a few examples, the Gory Rat number 49, Fuddler 22, Ribbonies 39, and Gale Claws 47 are most of the mobs you'll be catching in the mid-game / early mid-game. Then as time goes on in the much later game, you'll come across Mossandras and Luxes at 33, Incinerams and Incineram Knots 40, Chillets 55, Univolts 56, Foxicles 57, Pyrin 58, and the Noct version, Raindrix 59, and the list goes on. Tons of these mobs in the late game will drop you leather, but early game, the best place to stay and farm is this location over here, especially around the Red Forest and to the south of it. Anyways, that's really it. Hopefully you find this guide really useful. It's quite quick to farm up some of these, though most of the time you'll be farming it just passively as you're playing. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!